It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.